my friends, welcome to my channel.
Hello my friends, welcome. Hello my friends, welcome to a new YouTube video. Hello my friends, welcome to a new YouTube video. This unboxing is going to be about the LG AMD FREESYNC 27-inch monitor. I'm going to open it. This is one part, and I need to build it. Here are the cables. I'm going to take out the styrofoam. Here's the monitor, and it comes with instructions. I thought. Here's the monitor. I just finished building the monitor. Now I'm going to unbox the HDMI cable to mini display port. Here we have the HDMI cable to mini display port. Now we are going to unbox the Logitech Advanced Keyboard and Mouse. First, we are going to take the keyboard out. There's the keyboard. Now we are going to take the mouse out. Here's the mouse. And I can put this USB inside the mouse. And here's the keyboard. The app that it uses is Logi Options and Logi Options Plus. And here's the keyboard. And here's the mouse. Bye my friends, in the next YouTube video.